We are all part of Spokane. We're not just Hilliard, we're not just the Northeast, we're all in Spokane. There's a lot of pride in Hilliard. You know, when they redid Rogers High School about 15 years ago, that created a sense of pride in the community because it's a beautiful facility. From Shiloh Hills to Minnehaha to even including Trades High School in the area, the sense of community is extremely important in Hilliard, and I think that that would be a benefit to our community and give more options for our kids. I think in the northeast part of Spokane, there's not a real center location for kids to go to have a safe place to play, whether that's organized sports or whether that's usually hanging out with their buddies. We have oftentimes at Rogers have kids that will sneak onto the field at night to play and just be kids. We need something in the Northeast that is a safe, well-lit place for our kids and our families as a place to go and be a part of our community and a place to relax and a place to celebrate.